An orphaned otter pup hugs a plastic bottle as if it's the only thing left in the world. 3 days later, 42 million people had stopped their endless scrolling to watch. The craziest part, there was no camera crew, no expensive trip to a river, just one creator who knew the formula. Stick around, and I'm giving you the keys to that kingdom. First, decide who you are: the fact-obsessed expert, the fairy tale weaver, or the hybrid genius who blends both. Channels that mix true animal behaviors with what-if scenarios. Think meerkat bank heists or octopus spies. Pull in 3 times the subscribers of By the Book documentaries. Right now, list 3 animals you can't shut up about at parties. One of them is your goldmine. Open YouTube, filter by animal, and this week. Now, hunt for every title that bleeds emotion. Heartbroken, hero, betrayed. Feed those trigger words into ChatGPT. With this single command, write a first-person, 3-act rescue story about an animal that feels emotion. Keep it in the present tense. 300 words. Hit enter. Boom. Your viral skeleton is ready to go. Pexels and Pixabay will give you 4K wolf hunts and cinematic sloth yawns for free. Need something nobody else has? Drop a still image of a lynx into Runway. Gen 2 type snowy escape, cinematic, shallow depth of field, and you instantly have 5 seconds of footage that looks like you owe the BBC an invoice. Stitch 3 of these AI clips together, and you've just built a professional sequence. The Bella voice on 11 Labs is engineered to stop thumbs from skipping, boasting a professional and calm tone with excellent pacing. Paste your script. Set the stability to 35% and style to 0.5. Here's the pro trick. Sneak a tiny, half-second pause before every but or emotional turn. Listeners will swear you're in the room with them. You must make a cut every few seconds, as the average human attention span has declined to about 8.25 seconds. In CapCut, find a moment where the animal blinks or leaps, and ramp the speed to 150% for just 8 frames. These micro-snaps are magnets for replays. During rescue scenes, slip a faint heartbeat sound underneath, low passed at 80 Hz, so viewers feel the tension in their ribs before their brain even knows why. Use bright yellow text, max 3 words. Park it on the left, so the timeline scrubber never covers it. Critically, make the animal's eyes stare directly at your text. Our brains are hardwired to follow that gaze. Before you upload, run the final image through Remino and crush the file size to 2 MB. YouTube's algorithm gives these crisp, lightweight thumbs extra impression. Here is your title recipe: animal plus emotion plus surprising outcome plus year. A title like Pelican's Emotional Reunion Saves Lost Puppy 2025 checks every box for keywords and freshness. In the description, repeat the animal's name 3 times in the first 25 characters. This is algorithm food, not spam. Use only 2 hashtags. Anything more looks desperate. Schedule your video for Sunday morning or afternoon, which are considered good times for viewership. Check the premiere box so the live chat fills up. Creating instant social proof. The second it goes live, pin your own comment with the words, "The full story is shocking." YouTube's algorithm reads that instant chatter as a sign to promote the video. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, splice in a single 15-second mid-roll ad. This Lonely Otter's Comfort plushie is actually from our new merch line. Link in the description. Use Printify to create an otter-shaped pillow. When the product appears inside the narrative, 28% of viewers buy one. Crucially, keep all ads turned off for the first 48 hours. Let the algorithm spread your video far and wide before the commercial leash gets attached. Every 60 days, re-edit an old script using fresh AI-generated footage. YouTube will treat the video as a brand new upload, but you get to skip the entire creative process. Channels running on this content, Hamster Wheel average 38% extra revenue per video, with 0 additional research. Go try that ChatGPT prompt. Drop the wildest, most emotional title you can create in the comments below. If this breakdown just saved you 10 hours of guesswork, hit the like button so other creators can find this blueprint, and subscribe. Emotion first, facts second. Automation always. Pick your animal, run the formula, and press upload. Your 42 million view moment isn't luck, it's an instruction manual. Go write it, and remember, every creator you admire once uploaded their very first video without knowing what would happen next. The difference is, you now have the blueprint in your hands. The only thing left is to take that first step, hit publish, and watch the wild world lean in to listen. Your next upload could be the one that inspires millions, sparks conversations, and builds a community around your passion. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. The algorithm rewards action, not hesitation. So start today. Refine as you go and let your creativity run as free as the animals you tell stories about.